3.
This is how I skate now, and it's really.
Okay, skate fast.
Ta-da!
All right, now skate off that way and say bye-bye. Okay, skate your fastest. Okay, go that way and then I'm going to turn it off. You're a really good skater now. You're ready to be on a team.
Yeah, bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, I'll turn it off for real this time. But go your fastest to the other boards, where Emily is. Okay, go. Oh, I can't stop filming because she's becoming a really good skater. Okay, bye. Make sure you put your mouth guard in all the way when you go skating, okay? Okay, go. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. All right, I'll turn it off. Bye-bye.